Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making very simple and easy everyday dish. In India, almost every home, every day they cook this dish, most of the homes. And you also, when you get too tired and eating heavy meals and meat, you get tired with the meat sometimes. So you feel like a plain, light vegetarian dish. This is very good vegetarian or vegan dish. Anybody can eat this dish. So this is called dal and chawal. We are gonna make Indian Hyderabadi Khatti Dal. Khatti means sour. We're gonna put a little bit of tamarind in there and some tomatoes and some spinach. Okay, let's go see all the ingredients what we needed. Okay, let's go. It's not too much stuff we needed, but just few things. Okay friends, to make dal Hyderabadi Khatti Dal with tomatoes and spinach with the palak, I soaked tur dal, half a cup. In English it's called pigeon peas, and I have organic baby spinach, 2 cups. And then I have 1 tomato and 3 green chilies, green pepper. Then I have some red chili pepper, maybe half a spoon, because the peppers are very hot. And I have some turmeric and I have some salt. Okay, we're gonna put all these things in there. Okay, we add tomatoes and pepper, and we're gonna add spinach, and we add all these things, and then we are gonna be cooking this in the pressure cooker. After the steam comes, probably 3-4 whistles. That means at least 5 minutes more. Okay, let me boil this and come back and show you how it looks after that. Okay friends, to cook chawal, so rice, plain rice, it's very easy. I'm boiling some water with the salt, and I soak 2 cups of rice, and I'm gonna put this rice in there. Okay. Okay friends, rice is done 80%. See, that has to be like that. Not very soft, not very hard. You can break it in your hand. And then we're gonna drain all this water with the strainer. We're gonna strain it. Then we'll put it in the microwavable bowl. Okay. Okay. Our rice is cooked, so we are gonna put it in there. Okay, now we are going to go put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. So look how fluffy they are, not sticky at all. Very fluffy rice. Okay, let me go put it in the microwave for 4 minutes, then I'll come back. Okay friends, our dal is ready. So the steam is gone. You're going to open this. So let's see, we can mix it. Oh, it's all so soft and everything is, but still I'm gonna grind with my hand blender a little bit. And at this time we're gonna add some tamarind. I have some concentrated tamarind. You can use, if you don't have a tamarind, you can use lemon juice. That's also good. Okay, I'm gonna using a little bit of it, but half a spoon, because it's very concentrated. Okay, so that's it. And then I'm going to start the stove. I'm going to use this hand blender to grind a little bit, not very soft, but it will just coarsely. That's it. So this is done. This time you could taste for salt. If salt is less or more, you can add it, whatever for you, according to your taste. Some people like a lot of salt, some people don't like salt at all. So okay, this is gonna be, we are gonna let it cook for a few minutes because we just add the tamarind in there. Okay friends, this is ready. We are gonna be making now tadka, tampering, bagar. Everybody says different ways. So we are gonna make that. For tadka, we need some oil, little bit. Then I'm gonna add some, to make tadka, we need some clarified butter. I made this butter. If anybody wants the recipe, please let me know. I'll make for you. So you can make it with the butter. It's easy. And then I have some garlic, coarsely chopped, and some 2 red pepper, some cumin seeds, half a spoon, and mustard seeds, half a spoon. And I have some curry leaves. Okay, this we are going to make tampering. Tadka. Okay, we'll add first garlic and this red pepper, the garlic, the garlic is a little bit brownish, not very dark black, but a little bit brownish. If you don't like butter or ghee, you can put just the oil, or maybe olive oil, whatever you like it is fine. But we like ghee in there a little bit. It tastes very good. So now garlic is done, so I'm going to put zira, cumin powder, cumin seeds, and mustard seeds, this is rye. I'm going to add some curry leaves. Smells so good. Garlic and butter, clarified butter, smells so good. Okay. This is ready. We'll put it in the, add it to dal. Smells so good, looks so good. Okay, let me remove it in the bowl. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay friends, our dal and rice is ready to eat. Let's see, the rice is so fluffy and separated. Very nice. Don't have no starch at all. This is a basmati rice. And this is dal. You can even eat with fried gosh, or maybe kebab, maybe chicken tikka, if you want, if you like it. Or I just like this, the vegetarian. So, or maybe you can eat with other vegetable, like I have over here, methi and aloo. Methi, aloo, baigan is eggplant with eggplant and potatoes with the fenugreek leaves. If you like this recipe, please comment and let me know. I'll give you the recipe for that. So yes, if you like my recipe, please try it, and if you like it, click like, share, subscribe, and I would like to hear from you all. If you all, what are you doing if you are trying my recipes? How did you like it? Something I would like to hear from you. And if you want to learn anything else, okay, thank you, bye, see you in next video.